Do you know you cannot use all the images available on internet for your work? For example, you cannot use them in your blogs. You cannot use all the images in your designing or whatever work you are doing in your presentation or in your research work. So where do we get images to do those work? So, my name is Yash Popli and I am a graphic designer, and welcome to my channel. So, today I will be telling you 6 websites from where you can download free copyright free images and you can use them in your work. So, make sure to watch video till end, and if you are new to channel, make sure to subscribe and hit a like if you like the video. So, now let's begin with the video. Number 1, Pexels. So Pexels is really a great website if you are a designer and if you or else you want some images for your blogs. So Pexel is really an amazing website. You can get high quality images from Pexels. You can simply go on Google and type Pexel and you can get from there high quality images and video. You can also get free stock videos, and there are really a lot of things, and you can search for vectors, and a lot of things are available on Pexels. So you can check out Pexels if you want to use free stock images or videos. And Pexels is personally my favorite. So number 2, Unsplash. Just like Pexels, Unsplash is really an amazing website. So Unsplash is my second choice when I does not get any image on Pexels. So I simply search them on Unsplash. And yeah, Unsplash is also really a great. You get really high quality cool images, and you can definitely have a collection of good images if you want for your work, and if you are a designer, that is too good for you, and you can consider Unsplash also. Number 3, Pixabay. And now Pixabay, generally I use Pixabay, but for high quality images you need to log in on the Pixabay. You really get a great images, but you need to make an account on Pixabay. That's why I have kept it on number 3. So rest all is same. You get free stock videos, you get free stock images, and the website is really amazing. You can get images of different types, and if you want to, you can just simply search any image, and yeah, you will get that. Number 4, Gratisography. Gratisography, I did not use this website much, but it is also an amazing. Honestly, first three do the job for me. I Most of the times I do not go beyond first three because first three are great, really great. But when you want some different kind of image, different taste of image, Gratisography is really a cool website. Sometimes if I am looking for my design inspirations, I sometimes, it happens rarely, but I do a research on this website also, and yeah, it is really good to download free stock images, and you can use them in your work without any copyright issues. Number 5, StockSnap. StockSnap is a new website, and it is really a great. It is new in comparison of Unsplash and others, but it is simply a great website to get free stock videos, free stock images. You can get cool stock images on StockSnap, and you can simply go on Google and type StockSnap and just scroll or just search your preference which type of images you want, and yeah, you are good to go for your work. And last but not the least, number 6, Burst. Burst is also really an amazing website. The reason I have kept it at last because I have not used this much, and honestly first three do my job. Then if I got stuck anywhere or if I needed any more images, I then go down and down. So Burst, honestly you only require 2 or 3 websites. You don't require that much, but I am giving you some options. So you can also consider Burst if you are uh, doing your work. If you need any images, you can also consider Burst, and Burst is really a great website. and I will provide the link of all the websites in the description, so you can go there and simply search your images. So I hope you have loved the video, and if you are here till now, you might have loved the video. So make sure to subscribe my channel and hit a like button, and do share the video. If you want to share it to your friends, you can definitely share. Sharing is free and sharing is caring. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. So that is all for today. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.